Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into another going mainstream with Soneium quests on Layer 3. We have 3 new quests in this campaign: WaveX, Neemo Finance, and Safe. This is Gnosis Safe. We've done stuff with them before, but these other 2 will be new. And this is not an official Soneium quest. It's just for educational purposes, but you're still interacting with the testnet, so that's very important when it comes to airdrop qualification. So before we actually get started in this video, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. I don't know if Soneium is going to do an airdrop. They're made by this the Sony company, so I don't know if they'll. There's a lot of gray areas as far as regulation and stuff, and launching a token with a public company like that. So I don't know. It's still up in the air. But Layer 3 does have rewards built in, like these races, where they offer at least once a week. They'll offer these races where you participate by completing a transaction on Base or Linea, and you get a certain amount of tokens, like the top 600 get. So you get 2,000 participants. You have to, these are the qualifications. You have to stake a certain amount of tokens and complete a transaction, just any transaction. You could send a token to another wallet. You can make a token swap. You could revoke token approvals. Any transaction will count, and you will qualify for a certain amount of tokens depending on where you land. So that's one incentive mechanism that Layer 3 has to offer. And this one coming up in 19 hours is what, 6 Optimism. So what's Optimism at? $1.50. So what, $30? So not bad, or a little more than, wait, no, I'm tripping. No, I'm tripping right now. Not $30. I'm thinking it was like something way different, but I'm thinking of a different token. But they do have staking exclusive quests where, like this one, you have to stake at least 777 to be able to participate in this. And they have other quests and campaigns that, like this one, is staking exclusive. And you can check and see if there are any time, or if there's, a countdown for any of these quests. So yeah, Layer 3 giving away a lot of rewards and stuff. And if you ever have any questions or comments or need any help navigating this, jump in the Discord. Link is down below. Get in here, go to the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you will have access to these amazing channels. Get all your questions answered and more. So I appreciate all of you so very much. And with that, let's get into this Soneium. So WaveX is the first liquidity pool based perpetual DEX built on Soneium. Its key features include zero price impact and minimal slippage, enabled by the Oracle based system. So we'll bridge to Soneium Monado. If you haven't done that, check out the last video. Claim faucet tokens from the faucet. All right, we are going to, and I've gotten Ethereum on there before, so take me there. Yes. So we've done video tutorials on how to get testnet tokens. So we're going to claim these testnet tokens right here from the platform. And oh, there's Soneium Spark winner. Let's see. I'm going to give it a refresh in case it got stuck. Okay. So give it a refresh. You might have a stuck transaction. So now that we've claimed tokens, we will open a position. Make sure you click this, because if you don't click this, you won't get credit. And okay, now we go to trade, right? Open a position. Or you can go to swap. They have the swap right here. ASTR. Let's see what other wrapped ETH. Okay, so they have other stuff you can trade with. So let's see. ASTR. We're going to trade with wrapped Bitcoin. So you can trade these 3 assets: ASTR, wrapped Bitcoin, and wrapped ETH. So we'll just trade ASTR, and let's just give it a good little. We'll give it a good little short. So we need to check our USDT. And you can come in here and swap for these other assets to pay with as well. But since we have USDT already, I'm just going to use $10 and we'll use 50x leverage. Let's go. We're just going to go for it. Okay. So this is entry price, liquidation price. That's interesting. Slippage, the fees, borrow fee. So now we open the position. The first transaction was the token approval, and then this is the actual transaction that you'll submit. And there you go. We have our short open. And you can also come in here and swap assets as well. So we will go do a swap right here. And we'll go to this earn page because I want to see what the earn feature is about. And we can verify that since we've opened a position. Oh, sign it up, verify. Let's go over here. We'll go back to the earn page. Okay, let's use it all. We're gonna buy some WLP WaveX liquidity pool token. So this includes various crypto assets like Bitcoin, ETH, USDC, and USDT. You can acquire WLP tokens representing the index of these assets. Fees for buying WLP may vary. So let's check it out. Okay, now we'll just go with 10. I'm gonna buy some more. Let's check this out. See if we get some fees from some good fees generated. Testing out all the features. Because you never know, this platform might have a token one day as well. So you want to interact with each one of these. And plus you're just spreading assets around. So you're ensuring that, okay, this works with this feature. This asset I can deposit with this. Because since each one is a smart contract, you want to make sure that each one can execute properly. So depositing Ethereum is different than depositing USDC and different than depositing ASTR. One contract might execute while the other does not. So swap for these different tokens. I'm gonna swap for some other stuff, but that is WaveX, and we don't have, there we go. Mint your cube. Yep. All right, there you go, WaveX. Next up, Neemo Finance. Neemo is a liquid staking protocol on top of Soneium, an innovative layer 2 network built using the OP stack on Ethereum. Like I said, bridge to Soneium, Minato, stake ASTR on Neemo, and we can claim it through the faucet that they have. So we'll connect your wallet. We'll go to Minato, not Shibuya. Go up here to the left, go to faucet, ASTR on Minato. Click on that little bad mama jamma, and we'll go ahead and get this. You can see down here, you can add an SASTR. That's the stake token. So let's see. Oh, nope, let's do the max right here. Or if you want ASTR, you can go back to WaveX and get some that way. Let's see. I'm gonna swap this and put in a lot in this other pool. Oh, okay. Let's refresh this since it doesn't look like it's working very well. Okay, let's put the max. Let's approve this token. Can we get a transaction complete? Oh, daily limit. Okay. So what's the daily limit? So it's only 10. Okay. Only $10. Wow. Guess we'll have to do it then. So I guess daily, come in here and just boom, boom, start staking. Bada boom. You can do an instant withdrawal, but there's a limit now. 11.4. Huh. Okay. Interesting. So there you go. Boom. Easy. Staking on Neemo. Now we can go over to the last one, which is safe. Open a safe account via safe on the Soneium Testnet. So let's connect. Superchain safe. We need to complete this minting of a cube. Okay, make sure you're on the Soneium Testnet right here. Make sure you're on the testnet right here. Name, main, switch to Minato. Let's make sure everything is good. Signer name, bada boom. Network fee, you are the signer. You can put whatever you want there. This is me. There we go. Our account is live. So Gnosis Safe, you can move assets here. And if your wallet ever gets hacked, you can set up a secondary wallet to approve transactions. So in the settings, go here and add new signer. Let's verify. So you can add a new signer, and I can put my staking and NFTs one right there, my staking wallet, and I can add that as another verification. Before, like if your wallet gets hacked and they try to pull out assets, they can't move anything unless it's approved through this. So if you have a second wallet set up to approve a transaction from Safe, then your stuff will not move until you give it an approval. So, or you can reject it. So it's a good way of keeping your stuff safe in here. So that's good. It's a good thing to explore. But there you go, Soneium, all the fun stuff. Hopefully they do a nice airdrop, but yeah, we got a lot of test nets ready, so we will explore more of those. But remember, if you do have any questions, comments, need any help, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. We're gonna have a lot more of these coming, and don't fade Layer 3 now that they have the token out. They're still pumping out rewards, so it's great. It's great. But I appreciate you all so much. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.